Meet TEODOOR, your brand new personal doorman. TEODOOR is a smart lock, the most advanced way to enter your home. Imagine all the times you had trouble finding the key to your door. With TEODOOR, the door unlocks itself, swift and simple. Our app offers you more than locking and unlocking a door. You can limit user access to a specific timeline, keep an activity log, and other features that come in handy. TEODOOR can tell you about any uninvited guests who might have entered your home. You are simply notified and can then take appropriate action. TEODOOR instantly falls in love with any door. It's compact, adaptive, and designed to be universal. We're a team of devoted experts who have been working for 2 years, perfecting your doorman's behavior and appearance. And now, Kickstarter, it's your turn to unlock our project and bring TEODOOR to life.
Hello Kickstarter, please show us your support by backing our project. Thank you.